you all doing? Welcome back. I'm Pujita Reddy Gosla. This video is very special because this video is for two kinds of children. One is for children between 10 and 15 years or can go up to 17 years of age group, and it is also for children who are in their second stage. I mean for the older version of men. For me or everybody who is old or in their second childhood, that's why I mentioned it's for children. So men who are above 60 years or 70 years and still have amazing personality like Saint Achintya, I would be discussing in this video, can send me the pictures. Who is Saint Achintya? He is a very spiritual personality. He runs an ashram. He teaches children of all kinds of age groups coming from different tribal clans, villages, different kinds of species, because this is a fantasy and fictional world. You will be seeing lots of species which have the ability to study, and children coming from kingdoms. How does he look? He is a gigantic personality. He is 5 feet 11 inches tall. If he decides to appear taller than that or shorter than that, all he need to do is just sprinkle some holy water that he always carry with him on him and chant the mantra, and he turns into whatever the height he want or whatever the personality he want to turn into. And also he can turn at the same time a non-living thing or a living thing into the one he desires to see that particular thing to happen. I need to mention two important things about him. He communicates through telepathy, and he has this ability to fix time to any non-living thing or to a living being to become into something and let it happen according to his will and wish. So he basically decides certain things to happen in certain time and way. Okay. He has very long hair, and he ties it up and ties it up and ties it up and brings it into a knot. He never shaves or take off the beard or mustache. It is really grown pretty long and they're very long. He has these roseberry malas or garlands all over his neck and chest. He applies vibhuti and mud all over his body. He has this amazing eyes that are very scary at the same time. They're very compassionate. He can turn or change the colors of his eye pupils depending upon the emotion he is going through. So now you know the drill. If you think you want to play this character in the storytelling process, people of 60 years and above, please can send me pictures to my email ID pujitareddygosla4filmmaker@gmail.com. Now coming to the children. So in his ashram there are children who are studying under him, and I already mentioned the age group between 10 and 16 or 17 years is fine. Both girls and boys can send the pictures. So I would be picking up 10 pictures of boys and 10 pictures of girls. There is no particular facial features that the boys have to look this way or the girls have to look this way. Anybody can send. So if you think you like the qualities of being adventurous and are you a helping hand, do you really take care of your best friends, or you're somebody who is a nerd and at the same time you allot time for your fun things, then these 20 children fall into that category. So you can send me pictures, but they have a certain dress code. All the women, all the girls in the ashram, they wear a sari dhoti and they wear roseberry malas, and all their accessories are made out of that. And coming to the men and boys in the ashram, they wear a dhoti to the lower part of the body and just a kandu on the upper part of the body. And like I mentioned, for the girls, they also wear accessories that are made out of roseberry mala. So, and their hair is shaved off completely, or they are allowed to maintain a small pony. But for the children coming from kingdoms, they are given a little excuse of maintaining very short hair because they have different rituals and cultures to be followed in the story. So now you know the drill. If the parents, if you're watching, if you think your children can fit in these roles, or if the children are watching, if you think you can fit in this role and be the part of storytelling, please don't hesitate to send me your picture. Hiya. You can find my email ID in the description box, pujitareddy4filmmaker@gmail.com. Stay tuned for the next videos. Don't forget to hit the like button, share, subscribe and click the bell icon.